Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For any creator, the quality of your audio can make or break your content, and often, the weakest link isn't the microphone itself, but the cable connecting it to your camera. That's where the JCMOYUTY DJI Mic 2 camera audio cable 3.5 from TRS steps in, offering a solution that promises reliability and convenience for a wide range of setups. This isn't just any audio cable. It's specifically designed to bridge the gap between popular wireless microphone receivers and your DSLR camera. We're talking about seamless compatibility with the DJI Mic 2, DJI Mic 1, and even the compact DJI Mic Mini, alongside the highly regarded Rode Wireless Go II, Wireless Pro, Wireless Go, and Wireless ME systems. On the camera side, it connects effortlessly to Canon, Sony, Nikon, and virtually any other DSLR camera equipped with a standard 3.5 mic jack. This broad compatibility alone makes it an incredibly versatile tool for almost any video creator's kit. What immediately stands out is that this package includes two gold-plated SC2 audio cords, one in a vibrant red and the other in a distinct blue. This dual cable approach is incredibly thoughtful. It provides an immediate backup, which is invaluable on a busy shoot, or allows for multi-camera setups without needing to purchase additional cables. The gold-plated connectors aren't just for aesthetics. They ensure optimal signal transfer and resist corrosion, contributing to a cleaner, more reliable audio recording. The design of these cables is also a significant advantage. Each cable is a 50-centimeter coiled marvel. The coiled nature means it stays neat and compact when not fully extended, preventing the dreaded cable clutter that can plague a camera rig. Yet, it offers enough stretch to comfortably connect components without strain. Furthermore, both ends feature a 90-degree L-shaped 3.5/1/8, 3-poles TRS male plug. This L-shaped design is a game-changer for camera setups, especially when working with cages or in tight spaces, as it reduces the cable's footprint and minimizes stress on the ports. The promise of plug-and-play functionality is fully delivered here. There's no complicated setup, no drivers to install. You simply connect your microphone receiver to your camera, and you're ready to start recording high-quality audio. This simplicity is crucial for creators who need to focus on their craft, not on troubleshooting their gear. For anyone looking to ensure their audio is as crisp and clear as their visuals, these JCMOYUTY cables provide that essential, dependable link. They are a small investment that can make a monumental difference in the overall production value of your content, ensuring that every word, every sound, is captured with precision.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.